For generations, governments have operated on separate systems, each aligned to different missions and priorities. But a shift is underway, where public services coordinate across boundaries. The focus now is not which agency delivers, but whether citizens receive what they need. Trust by design, the future of public services. Citizens are more connected than ever, and governments have an opportunity to deliver services that are faster, smarter, and more responsive. AI is moving from pilots to production. Data sharing standards are gaining traction. Resilience is no longer just about security. It's about keeping essential services running and citizen supply chains functioning under pressure. Governments are reimagining what's possible by building systems that are not just efficient, but adaptive, resilient, and designed for the future.
Governments have a real opportunity right now. Citizens already live in an online, always connected world, and they increasingly expect government services to work the same way. That's why the focus is shifting to digital reengineering and now building services that are smarter, faster, and more responsive.
Data sharing is moving beyond theory. Governments are focusing on where coordination matters most, with citizen outcomes as the measure of success. As data grows more connected and critical, data sovereignty helps governments safeguard national interests, strengthen resilience, and sustain public trust, with variances across regions, from established regulatory frameworks in the US to a strong privacy focus in Europe. Standards adoption is accelerating to reduce workload, ease staffing pressure, and make day-to-day operations simpler. Interoperability is becoming the connective tissue of public services, making it easier for citizens to seamlessly move between services.
Governments are moving past data sharing as a concept and focusing on where connections actually help people. When social care, public safety, and case management work together seamlessly, citizens get better support with less friction. Globally, countries may come at it from different angles, but the destination is the same: more connected public services built on data people can trust.
Cyber resilience is no longer just about protecting individual systems. It's about protecting the citizen supply chain, keeping essential services operational, and maintaining public trust in times of uncertainty. At the same time, AI is moving from experimentation to execution under clear governance, supporting translation, document handling, compliance checks, and administrative processing, relieving staff workload pressure so they can focus on data-driven decisions and oversight. The real test of digital maturity will be whether governments can keep the citizen supply chain trusted and operational under pressure.
The next few years will come down to how well governments keep essential services running through all the disruption. With ever-changing cyber threats, geopolitical pressure, and service interruptions, isolated initiatives won't be enough. Governments need resilience and AI working together, guided by strong governance and human oversight, so they can anticipate the risks and respond faster to protect the public.
A decade from now, governments will be judged differently, not by the performance of individual agencies, but how well agencies work together to deliver citizen outcomes. Central governments set direction, policy, and standards. Regional and local actors translate that into delivery that fits their context. Trusted partners contribute capability and data. The future-ready government is not simply more digital. It's more adaptive, more collaborative, and better at working across boundaries. Departments will assemble services from certified components and ecosystem partners, with success defined by outcomes, resilience, and trust.
As soon as the needs become more complex, governments will need to get better at coordination. This means knowing when to standardize and how to align agencies and partners around outcomes that people experience. Working well across boundaries will matter more than any one agency performing on its own.
As AI becomes embedded in everyday public services, citizens will expect those services to be understandable, explainable, and resilient. Transparent automation and accountable decision-making will be non-negotiable. Digital trust will be maintained locally, even when capabilities are enabled nationally. A central AI platform may improve service access across municipalities, but local governments will need to ensure decisions are explainable, oversight is visible, and citizens have confidence in the outcomes. National standards will provide consistency, while local custodianship will provide legitimacy. That balance will define the future citizen supply chain.
Citizens will expect more than just faster services. They'll want to understand how decisions are made and know that accountability still sits with people. That means trust needs to be built into the service itself, such as transparent automation, explainable decisions, and room for human judgment, especially in the areas of welfare and justice. The good news is that when we cut duplication and improve data quality, it frees up resources to give people personal support when they need it most.
The governments of the future are being built now, connected, resilient, trusted. The opportunity is clear. Shape public services that work across boundaries, adapt faster to disruption, and earn citizen trust through transparency and accountability. Together with our government clients, we are building what's next, improving public service continuity and a citizen supply chain that is resilient, responsive, and built on trust.